Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2001 Mazak super quick turn 200MY. The machine has a tool presetter, 12 position turret, tailstock, full C-axis, with a collet chuck. The machine has a chip conveyor. Start the axis with your Z, your X, your Y, index your turret, that's 600 RPM on the live tool. There is not one mounted right now. It's running. That's 1500. That's about 2400. We'll jog your C. Again, it's a full C-axis. Start your main spindle. That's 1000 RPM. Spindle's nice and quiet. That's 2200. That's 3000. Your tailstock quill. And that basically does it. This machine can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse under power. Thanks for watching.